Now we are going to solve question number second. Question number second is, suppose that student feedback rating on scale 1 to 100 on faculty monitoring effectiveness is given scored order 50, 50, 16, 16, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 22, 55, 55, 55, 55, 30. And this is the series of numbers. What is the mean rating? We find what is the mean rating, after we find what is the median, after we find what is the mode of the data. Here this is questions to A to Z. Now we are starting with first, what is the mean rating? What is the mean rating? We have 28 data points, number 28, labeling them X through X 28 is given. Mean, now we have see the mean formula. Mean equals to 1 by summation of xi. Compute sum. Let's sum carefully digit by digit. Group of sums 50 15. You see 15 is in series, they must occurrence two times, so we are added two times. 50 plus 50 is 30. And or now you see 16 is a subtotal is 62. 90 is 81. There is some totals 30, 36. This is the totals. The total sum of the series is 844. Mean is, now you know the mean formula. Mean is divided by the number of series. So now the total of series is 844 divided by 28. The approx value is 30. The mean value is 13.1429 approximately. Now we start with B. B is median. Median, you know the formula of median. In this series, the total number of terms is 28, which means even number of terms. Now we having the position of median is 14 or 15 order started, but in even we have one value. So we are solving this 25 or 30, because 25 is 14th value or 30 is 15th value. So the sum of this value divide by 2, so we have the median. So median is 27.5. Now we find mod. Question number first C. Question number second C is mode values frequency. Now in mode we are check the frequency of values. The frequency of values, now you see the frequency of values. 50 is two times, or 16 is two times, 19 is one times, or 220 is two times. The highest frequency value is 4, 4 for 25 and 4 for 35. The model two modes, where two modes 25 and 35, not 33 has frequency of 3 less. So now this in this mode is 35 or 25. Now we going to next D, mid range. What is mid range? Minimum plus maximum by 2. Minimum plus maximum by 2. Minimum is 35, maximum is 70 upon 2. The answer is 85 upon 2. 85 upon 2 equals to 42.5. Mid range is 42.5. uh, Now the second is E, quartiles. Estimation for shortest data. Quartiles for N28, the terms is 28. Using typically definition, median splits data into two levels of 40 inches. Half equals first 40 values position 1 to 45. Median of low half is Q1 average of 7th and 8th values in full data. Weight compute within lower half average of 79 elements whose list 17th value 20, 8th value is 21, q1 equals to 20 plus 21 by 2 is equals to 20.5. q1 value is the 20.5. Upper half last 14 values position 50 minus 28, 50 to 28, which means 30 to 70. Q3 average of position 7 and 8 within the upper half, thus composing our all position 21 and 22. Let's find some position within upper half is 130 and 21, 8, 25. So average of 35 and 35 is 35. So the q1 is 20.5 or q3 is 50, q3 is 35. Now we see f is 5 number summaries, minimum equals to 15, q1 q1 is 20.5, median is 27.5, q3 35, maximum is 70. So 5 number summary is the 5 number summary is in this set 50, 25.5, 27.5, 30, 70. Now you see the G box plot description. What is box plot description? Box plot SAMS Q1 20.5 to Q3 35 with median at 27 point inside the box. QR equals to 35 to 25 minus 40.5, 14.5. IQR equals to 30.20.5 equals to 30.5, 14.5. Now you see H is QQ plot versus quartile plots. A quartile plots typically displays the data quartiles, order data versus quartile index, just to show how quartiles themselves have. A quartile QQ plot plots quartiles of a simple against quartiles of a theoretical distribution. On other simple, it's used for a simple distribution as a reference in index context. QQ is used to see if feedback rating for flow say normal distribution. Quartiles plots alone so only the distribution steps but not comprising to theoretically distribution. Thank you for watching this video. Now we are going to end of this video. We are meet in second video, question number 3. Thanks.